Good morning, students. Welcome to our class. Okay, last time we have seen 21 sums for the GEE. Now today we'll go ahead with some more sums, right? Then the question number 22. Y is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to x plus ये सब पावर में ऊपर जा रहा है. Is then dy by dx is dash. Now here whenever it is power में function of x is there, we'll take log on both the side. हम क्या करते हैं? Take log on both the side. So log y is equal to what is this? This is all power. So आगे आ जाएगा x plus e raised to x plus e raised to x plus up to infinitive into ये हो जाएगा log e base e ये, और वो क्या होता है 1. सो वो तो निकल जाएगा, मतलब कि ऐसा हो गया. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? e raised to x plus e raised to x plus ये क्या है? y है. सो वी विल राइट log y इज इक्वल टू ये पावर मैंने आगे लिया है पूरा का पूरा एंड log e base e 1, तो ये हो गया x plus 1. That means short term हो गया. Now we'll find the derivative on both the side. Therefore log की डेरिवेटिव 1 upon y, y की डेरिवेटिव dy by dx. Here upon plus dy by dx. dy by dx will take this side and take it common. So it is equal to 1 upon y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. So that dy by dx is equal to, here we simplify and then write 1 minus y upon y is equal to 1. This side it goes to the reciprocal form. So dy by dx is y upon 1 minus y. You understand, it is very easy but looks, oh what is this? But when you apply the log and write down this replaced by y, it becomes easier. The same way, one more sum we'll do by this method, that is question number 23. In the question number 23, y is equal to square root of 10x plus square root of 10x plus square root of 10x plus and so on up to infinite. Whenever it is power में जब हम x था, exponent यूज किया और logarithm लिया. Now to remove the square root, we'll square on both the side. यहाँ पे हमें ये स्क्वायर रूट रिमूव करना है, सो वी विल स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ द साइड, अप्लाई स्क्वायर. दैट इज y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 10x प्लस, फिर ये जो स्क्वायर रूट है इट रिमेन सेम, बाकी के सारे स्क्वायर रूट तो सेम ही रहेंगे, लाइक दिस. दैट इज y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 10x प्लस व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अगेन y. Now it is short form. Now you will find the derivative on both the side, that is 2y dy by dx. Here 10x, so derivative हो जाएगी sec square x plus dy by dx. dy by dx will take this side and take it common, that is dy by dx is equal to sec square x. So 2y minus 1 is equal to what? Sec square x. We want to find dy by dx, that is equal to sec square x upon 2y minus 1. You understand that? This is the answer. One more sum just like this too, that I will give you 2 minutes to do it yourself. आप खुद कर सकते हैं. कैसे? That is 24 sum. Y is equal to x raised to the power x raised to the power x up to infinite, right? तो जब पावर में x है, again what you will do? पूरा पावर आगे आ जाएगा when you take the log. So here that is equal to what? Log y is equal to what you will take. I will give you 5 minutes to do it. Do it fast. Yes, anyone have done it yourself? आपने खुद करने की ट्राई की? It is very easy by applying log on both the side, right? Because power में x जब भी जाता है, you have to apply the log. so that log y, ये पूरा पावर आगे आ जाएगा x पावर x up to infinite log x. You know what is this? Y. So now it is log y is equal to y log x. Now it becomes the short form, and find the derivative by using the product rule. So here derivative 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to y constant, derivative of x log x is 1 upon x, log x constant, derivative of y is dy by dx. Understand that? It is easy. Now dy by dx इस तरफ आके take it common, so that it becomes 1 upon y minus log x dy by dx y by x. So that take LCM here, 1 minus y log x upon y dy by dx is equal to y by x. So now what is your final answer is? आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? Here dy by dx is equal to y square upon x 1 minus y log x. y ऊपर जाएगा, that is y square upon x, जो whatever it is here है ही पहले से 1 minus y log x, right? So whenever it goes that side, it is reciprocal. So this is the answer. Okay, so that is next. So 25. F of 3 is equal to 4 and f dash 3 is equal to be 4. Then limit x tends to 3, x f of 3, 3 f of x upon x minus 3 is equal to dash. यहाँ पे भी ऐसा एक सम हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में किया था, x f of 3 and 3 f of x. या तो x f of x से आप एड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए, या तो 3 f of 3 से मल्टीप्लाई एंड एड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए. जैसे वहां पे ऑल्टरनेट क्या था, fx एंड fa, तो हमने fa g से मल्टीप्लाई किया था एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट किया था. तो हियर व्हाट वी विल एड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट, दैट इज लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 3, फर्स्ट टर्म रिमेन्स एज इट इज, इट इज x f of 3 minus 3f of 3 plus 3f of 3 f of x upon x minus 3. मैंने 3f of 3 add and subtract किया है. So that is equal to limit x tends to 3. Whatever is common here, f of 3. So in the bracket it is x minus 3 plus limit also we will separate. What is common? 3. I will here f of x minus f of 3 चाहिए अगर आपको फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करनी है तो. So first of all I will take minus common और उसको मैं ऐसे ही लिख दूंगी जो मुझे चाहिए वैसे. So प्लस माइनस माइनस करके I will take, ये 3 को हम बाहर ले लेते हैं, and f of x minus f of 3 upon x minus 3. You understand what we have done? 3 common. तो f of 3 minus f of x आएगा. Instead of that I have written f of x minus f of 3 और minus आगे ले लिया. Then is equal to, ये तो कैंसल हो गया. f of 3 तो already here x ही नहीं है, it is constant, so we'll write as it is minus 3. What is it? F dash 3. F of 3 4. 3 f dash 3 be 4. So 4 minus 12 becomes minus 8 is our answer. You understand that? Okay. Then the next sum will be f of x equal to x raised to n minus 1 minus n x minus 1 upon x minus 1 the whole square when x is not equal to 1 and n minus 1 upon 2 when x is equal to 1. Right? Then f is continuous at x is equal to 1, then limit x tends to 1, x raised to n minus 1 minus n x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square is equal to dash. Okay? So, here, if f is continuous, it is given. अगर f continuous है, so we will use limit x tends to 1 f of x. क्या हो जाएगा? f of 1 हो जाएगा. What is f(x)? It is given limit x tends to 1 x raised to n minus x minus 1 whole square. This is our f(x), or that you want to find is equal to f of 1. f of 1 is what? n minus 1 upon 2. और इसकी वैल्यू आपको फाइंड करनी थी. What you want to find is this one. तो ये क्या हो गया? वो ही तो वैल्यू है. ऑप्शन में यही दिया हुआ है एंड देयरफॉर जो फाइंड करना है वो ही हमें मिल गया. We cannot simplify or anything because we do not have the value. Even we cannot apply the limit also. हमें n या ऐसी कोई वैल्यू फाइंड नहीं करनी है. It is just you have to use the definition and find this value is n minus 1 by 2. तो ये वैल्यू आपको क्या मिल जाएगी? n minus 1 by 2. That's it. It is over. Then 27. Is y is equal to log x base 10 plus log 10 base x plus log x base x plus log 10 base 10. Here again you have to use the base change rule, rules of logarithm and all. So first of all आपको base change rule apply करना पड़ेगा. That is what? log x upon log 10. ये क्या हो गया? दोनों का base e हो गया. Will not write any base, that means the base is e plus log 10 upon log x plus base and ये same है तो log x base x वो क्या हो जाएगा? 1, right? So it is 1 plus 1. Now what? We'll find the derivative on both the side. So dy by dx equal to, ये log 10 constant है, so take it as it is. Derivative of log x 1 upon x plus log 10 is constant. 1 upon log x की derivative minus 1 upon log x the whole square. We'll write square here into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. ये derivative तो 0 हो जाएगी. 1 upon x की derivative minus 1 upon x square. तो 1 upon log x की derivative minus 1 upon log x square. And ये हो गया into log x की derivative 1 upon x. So here what is it? 1 upon x log 10. और ये क्या है? प्लस माइनस log 10 upon x log x whole square. That is our answer, right? So, okay, that is our answer. But if the question is find dy by dx at x equal to 10 is equal to dash, ऐसा क्वेश्चन है. अगर सिर्फ dy by dx पूछा होता तो that is the answer. Nothing to do now. अभी कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. But dy by dx at x equal to 10 दिया है तो क्या करना है? हम 10 log 10 10 x replace by 10 plus log 10. Okay, plus minus minus. It is minus. Yes. Upon 10 log 10 whole square. So एक log 10 cancel. 1 upon 10 log 10 minus 1 upon 10 log 10 becomes 0. So if you want to find this dy by dx only, so this is the answer. But dy by dx at x equal to 10, then the answer will become 0. You understand that? Okay. So do it. This is question number 27. Then we'll move on the question number 28. Question 28 is d by dx of 16 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to m log 4 base e. Then m is equal to dash. So first of all you have to find this derivative. Then we'll compare this. So we'll get the value of m. So here d by dx of 16 raised to x is equal to. Okay, this is the form a raised to x. A raised to x की derivative क्या है? A raised to x log a base e. So here a is 16 raised to x log 16 base e is given. Now what? आपको ये form लाना है. So I will do it here. 16 raised to x मुझे 2 raised to करना है तो 2 raised to 4 is 16. So 2 raised to 4x कर दिया. Yes or no? Yes. And here log 16 है. मुझे 4 चाहिए. So 4 square base e. So 2 raised to 4x into 2 log 4 base e. 2 मुझे एक्स्ट्रा 2 तो इसमें दिया नहीं है. So ये दोनों को कंबाइन करो is equal to 2 raised to 4x plus 1 log 4 base e. Now you can compare this 2 raised to m log 4 base e. Then you get is equal to 2 raised to m log 4 base e. So m is equal to 4x plus 1. m की वैल्यू आपको क्या मिल जाएगी? 4x plus 1. Right? By comparing LHS and RHS. You understand that? Yes. Do it. Then we'll go ahead with the question number 29. Y is equal to cos inverse 4 cos x minus 5 sin x upon root 41. Then dy by dx dash. Okay. So is equal to cos inverse. I will write like this. हम ऐसे उसको लिख सकते हैं. Yes. Now, if I take this is the suppose कि cos alpha, right? अगर मैं 4 by 4 let 4 by root 41 को cos alpha लेती हूँ तो sin alpha क्या हो जाएगा? It is 1 minus under root of cos square alpha. और या तो आप ट्राइंगल से भी कर सकते हैं. 16 by 41. 16 minus 41 minus 16, that is 25. So it is root 25 by 41. So 5 by root 41 हुआ. मतलब कि ये क्या हो गया? sin alpha. अगर ये cos alpha लेते हैं तो ये sin alpha हो जाएगा. Right? Therefore we can write cos inverse. This is cos alpha cos x minus this is sin alpha sin x. Is equal to, you know this is the formula of, ये किसकी formula है? Yes, cos alpha plus x. So here cos inverse cos alpha plus x की formula है. Now nothing, कोई condition नहीं दी है. So we assume that it is in the domain and cancel cos inverse and cos. So we can get alpha plus x. If y is equal to alpha plus x, then you want to find dy by dx. So derivative with respect to x. Alpha is constant, so 0 plus 1 will get the answer 1. आपको क्या आंसर मिल जाएगा? 1. That is question number 29 is the most important. Then we move on the question number 30. So 30. If f is differentiable function and f of x plus y is equal to fx plus fy plus x square y square and limit x tends to 0, f of x upon x equal to 10, then f dash x equal to dash. The function is differentiable. Given fx plus y equal to ये है, another one limit की value दी है 10, and if it is differentiable, then you have to find f dash x. You know f dash x की formula क्या हो जाएगी? By the definition of differentiation, it is limit h tends to 0. हमने 11th में भी किया है और डेफिनेशन मैंने आज अभी आपको इस चैप्टर स्टार्टिंग में बताई भी थी. That limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. ये है क्या? f dash x. If it is differentiable तो ये उसकी डेरिवेटिव है. Then limit h tends to 0, f of x plus y is equal to fx plus fy plus x square y square. So instead of y now it is h. fx plus fh plus x square h square. समझ में आ रहा है? यहाँ पे y की जगह पे h दिया हुआ है. So we will write, हम क्या लिखेंगे? fx plus fh plus x square minus fx को fx ही रहने दो upon h. fx minus fx cancel. Limit h tends to 0, f of h upon h plus limit h tends to 0, x square h square upon h is equal to. One more thing is given. Limit x tends to 0, f of x सेम है तो 10 होता है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ x इज रिप्लेस बाय h तो क्या होगा? लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, f of h अपॉन h इज इक्वल टू 10. तो ये जो वैल्यू है h सेम है. वी विल गेट वैल्यू 10 प्लस एक h कैंसिल. नाउ इट इज लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, x स्क्वायर h. If you apply the limit, it becomes 0. Denominator में h नहीं है तो आप लिमिट अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. It is 0, and that is the value is 10. You understand that? Yes. Then we go in the next. That is question number 31. If f is differentiable function, f of 0 equal to 0, f of 1 is 1, f dash 0 4, f dash 1 is also 4, and g of x is equal to f e raised to x, e raised to fx. G of x is equal to f of e raised to x into e raised to fx. Then g dash 0 is equal to dash. आपको फाइंड क्या करना है? g dash 0. So first of all ये जो g dash x दिया, gx दिया है, आप उसका g dash x that is the derivative with respect to x find करेंगे. So that g dash x equal to, here is the 2 function. So we'll use the product rule. First of all, f of e raised to x constant. तो इसकी डेरिवेटिव होगी e raised to fx into f dash x. Why? e raised to x, डेरिवेटिव e raised to x, फिर पावर की डेरिवेटिव f dash x plus e raised to fx constant. The derivative of this is f dash e raised to x. पहले f की डेरिवेटिव, चेन रूल, and then e raised to x की डेरिवेटिव e raised to x. f की डेरिवेटिव f dash e raised to x, e raised to x की डेरिवेटिव e raised to x. You will use the chain rule here. Is equal to, चलो, now we want to find g dash 0. So f of e raised to 0, wherever it is x, we'll write 0. e raised to f of 0, f dash 0, e raised to f of 0, e raised to 0 is equal to, sure. Now e raised to 0, 1. So we'll get f of 1. E raised to f of 0. F of 0 is 0. F dash 0. F dash 0 is 4. E raised to f of 0. F dash e raised to 0, 1. E raised to 0, 1. F of 1 is 1. E raised to 0, 1 into 4. E raised to 0, 1. F dash 1 is 4 into 1. That is 4 plus 4 becomes 8. So what is our answer in this? It is 8. It is very easy. Just be careful and do it slowly. Okay. The next question is 32. Y is equal to summation of r is equal to 1 to x. Tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus r square. Then dy by dx is equal to dash. So here we have to set the terms first of all. Tan inverse. In the numerator सेट करने से पहले हम डिनोमिनेटर लिखेंगे 1 plus r common from this 2, that is 1 plus r. ये जो है ऊपर मुझे सेट करनी है tan इनवर्स की फॉर्मूला, तो ऊपर क्या ले लूंगी 1 plus r minus r. क्यों? क्योंकि 1 है तो r कैंसल, 1 आ जाएगा. Now you know that this is a and this is b. तो क्या होता है tan इनवर्स a माइनस b अपॉन 1 प्लस ए बी. तो tan इनवर्स a माइनस tan इनवर्स b की फॉर्मूला सेट हो रही है, राइट? सो वी विल राइट r इज इक्वल टू 1 to x tan इनवर्स 1 प्लस r माइनस tan इनवर्स r. ये फॉर्मूला हुई tan इनवर्स a माइनस tan इनवर्स b की. Now r की वैल्यू है 1 to x और है summation. So we will replace r from 1, then 2, then 3 and add it. That is equal to tan inverse 1 plus 1, 2 minus tan inverse 1 when r is equal to 1 plus ये summation है तो add होगा tan inverse 1 plus 2, that is 3 minus tan inverse 2. ये r is equal to 2 plus tan inverse 4 minus tan inverse 3 and so on. r is equal to x. 1 plus x minus tan inverse x. एक टर्म आगे की लिखते हैं प्लस. यहाँ क्या आएगा whenever it is x, तो हमने ये लिया. अभी x minus 1 आगे की टर्म होगी r is equal to x minus 1. तो x minus 1 में यहाँ रखती हूँ. क्या होता है minus 1 plus 1 कैंसल. tan inverse x minus tan inverse x minus 1. You understand that? आपको समझाने के लिए. अब कैंसल क्या हो रहा है tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 2. tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 3. पहला ही टर्म सेकेंड ब्रैकेट की सेकेंड टर्म के साथ, फिर ये उसके बाद में सेकेंड टर्म, तो ये भी उसके बाद में सेकेंड टर्म के साथ, ऐसी सारी कैंसल होती जाएगी. ये tan इनवर्स x कैंसल विद दिस. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? ये किसके साथ होगा? आगे के साथ कैंसल होगा, उसकी फर्स्ट टर्म इसकी सेकेंड टर्म के साथ से कैंसल होती जाएगी. That is what is remaining? Only two term is remaining which is not cancelled. So that is equal to tan inverse 1 plus x minus tan inverse 1. ये दोनों टर्म कैंसल नहीं होगी. You understand that? Okay. And then we'll find dy by dx. तो tan inverse की डेरिवेटिव 1 plus 1 upon x square. 1 upon 1 plus x square. तो x की जगह पे जो है ये लिखा, इनटू ब्रैकेट की डेरिवेटिव तो 1 ही होगी, उसे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, और ये डेरिवेटिव होगी 0. सो इफ यू एक्सपांड द ब्रैकेट देन ऑल्सो राइट. नहीं किया और ऐसे ही रहने दिया तो भी चलेगा, और यू विल राइट 1 plus 1 plus 2x plus x square. So it is x square plus 2x plus 2. ऐसे भी आप लिख सकते हैं. That's way also we can do the sum. You understand? Yes. It is most important sum, right? Okay. Then we'll move on the next, that is 33. F of x plus y is equal to fx into fy. F dash 0 is 11 and f of 3 is 3. Then f dash 3 is equal to dash. Okay. First of all हम क्या करेंगे? उसकी डिफरेंशिएबल फंक्शन है, सो डेरिवेटिव की फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे. So that f dash x is equal to, what is the formula? H tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of h upon h. If the function is differentiable, then here is the formula. Okay. Now it is minus f of x. Okay. Now is equal to limit h tends to 0. y की जगह पे h है, ऐसा एक सम हम आगे कर चुके हैं. So x plus h है तो fx into fh होगा, right? So we'll write fx into fh minus f of x upon h. You understand? Take fx common. Limit h tends to 0, f of x common. f on h, right? Then what? If this is f dash x, but we want f dash 3, so here we apply, instead of x it is 3. So limit h tends to 0, f of 3. Wherever it is x you will write 3, but जो h है वो तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. Yes or no? Right? Then f of 3 की वैल्यू क्या दी हुई है? 3 है. ओके. सो ये कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा, उसके मैं आगे ले लेती हूं. लिमिट h tends to 0, instead of 1 what I can write, it is now here f dash 0 is 11, but f of 0 की वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं है. You can say that limit, first of all we'll find f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy is given. If I will take, यहाँ f3 है देखिए, so we will take f of 3 plus 0. इसका मतलब x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0 अगर लिया तो is equal to f of 3 and f of 0. Wherever it is x you will write 3 and y it is 0. So that f of 3 into f of 0 ये cancel, that means f of 0 1 होगा. सो जहां पे 1 है आई विल राइट f of 0, लिख सकते हैं. यस, सो लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, f of 3 कांस्टेंट, f of h माइनस f of 0 upon h minus 0 we can write. Then here what is this formula is f dash 0. So f of 3 is constant and this is f dash 0. So f of 3 is 3. What is the value of f of 3? 3. F dash 0 11. That is equal to 33. किसकी वैल्यू मिल गई 33? f dash 3 की. You understand that? This is somewhat that critical level, that upgraded level. So यहाँ से मैंने fx कॉमन निकाला, but यहाँ पे आपको ऐसा नहीं दिया है कि f of 0 is 1. So when we'll take this, we'll get f of 0 is 1. So instead of 1, ये f of 0 लिखा, तो ये फॉर्मूला बन गई f dash 0 की, which is 11. So f dash 3 की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 33. By that way, you can do the sum 33. Then we'll go ahead with the sum 34. First you do this. Okay, the 34 sum is g is the inverse of f. f2 is equal to 4, f dash 2 1 by 6, then g dash of 4 you want to find. Now how to find it? That given that inverse of f is g and f are the inverse of each other, we know that the combination of these two functions g o f of x is equal to the identity function IR of x. That means g o f x is equal to IR of x. IR of x is what? X. You know that f of x is equal to x, then it is called identity function. So it is equal to x. अगर g o f identity function है, तो g o f x is equal to x हो जाएगा, right? Yes. Now we'll find the derivative on both the sides. So what is it? G dash of fx into f dash x. This is the chain rule. पहले g की डेरिवेटिव फिर f की. And derivative of x is 1. We want g dash 4. तो पहले हमें जो वैल्यू दी है वो हम लिखेंगे. What is it? 2. f of 2 and f dash 2 की वैल्यू given है. तो f of 2 and f dash 2, that means we'll take x is equal to 2. So f of 2 and f dash 2. But f of 2 is 4. So we'll get g dash 4 and f dash 2 is 1 by 6. Now 6 इस तरफ ले जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? G dash of 4 is equal to 6. Right? Okay. Then we'll go to the next sum, that is question number 35. Is it again the same that we have done one time? Is f of x plus y is equal to fx plus fy. Sorry, fx into fy, then f dash 0 to f of 4 is 4, then f dash 4 is equal to dash. Whenever it is f dash something you want to find, you will use the formula of differentiation, that is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus fx upon h is the formula of f dash x. Now what? Here limit h tends to 0. What you can write instead of f of x plus h? Tell me first. From this एक बार कर दिया है हमने. So f of x into f of h is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x common, f of h minus 1 upon h is equal to, again यहाँ पे f of 0 is not given, पर हमने आगे एक बार किया था कि हम क्या लेंगे. Here it is given f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Then we have the value here, f of 4 दिया है और f dash 4 ही फाइंड करना है. तो x is equal to क्या ले लेंगे? 4 and y is equal to क्या ले लेंगे? 0. So here 4 plus 0, 4 into f of 0. ये f of 4 कैट, तो f of 0 क्या मिल गया? 1. So instead of here we'll write 1, f of 0. So limit h tends to 0, f of x f of h minus f of 0 upon h minus 0. So this is the formula of f dash 0, and here is we have f dash x equal to fx into f dash 0. x की वैल्यू क्या रखेंगे 4 because f dash 4 चाहिए हमें, right? So I will write f dash 4 is equal to f of 4 f dash 0. What is f of 4? 4. What is f dash 0? 2. So the answer is 8. ऐसे हमने बहुत सारे सम किए हैं. So now it is easy for you that how to do. Understand that? Okay. We'll go to the question number 36. Question number 36 is if cos inverse x square minus y square upon x square plus y square is equal to log ABC, then dy by dx is equal to dash. Okay, so here cos inverse x square minus y square and x square plus y square is equal to log ABC, right? ऐसा दिया हुआ है तो उसको थोड़ा पहले सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं कि cos इनवर्स इस तरफ जाएगा, सो x स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर cos ऑफ log a base हो जाएगा. यस और नो? cos इनवर्स इस तरफ गया तो क्या हो गया cos. अभी हम दोनों तरफ रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं. टेक रेसिप्रोकल ऑन बोथ द साइड. So x square plus y square upon x square minus y square 1 upon cos log a. Now you know that componendo and dividendo, right? So we will take here x square plus y plus x square minus y square, x square plus y minus x square plus y square. ऊपर componendo and dividendo, ऊपर प्लस दोनों का नीचे माइनस, तो यहां पे भी वही होगा अपॉन 1 माइनस कॉस log a base. This is componendo and dividend. So here y square and x square will be cancelled. Then what is it? 2x square upon 2y square. Then 2 भी cancel हो जाएगा, right? And that is equal to 1 plus cos log a base 1 minus cos log a base. 2 cancel and we will take x upon y is equal to plus or minus under root 1 plus cos log a base 1 minus cos log a base. You understand that? x 2 हमने कैंसिल कर दिया. x square upon y square को मैंने x upon y लिया. So that means take the square root on both the side. So that is equal to ये मिला. Now we'll find the derivative because dy by dx चाहिए. So derivative on both the side. तो x upon y की derivative क्या होगी? So denominator constant, derivative of x is 1 minus x constant, derivative is dy by dx upon y square is equal to 0. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि कितना बड़ी टर्म्स आ रही है, but it is log a base. There is no x. It is constant term and so derivative is 0. You understand that? That means what? ये y square भी इस तरफ जाके 0 हो जाएगा. y minus x dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा? पूरी टर्म इस तरफ y upon x. So what is the value? dy by dx की वैल्यू क्या मिली? y by x. थोड़ा सोचने जैसा सम है, याद रखने जैसा सम है, but it is very important. You understand that? Yes. Then we'll go ahead to the question number 37. Question number 37 is f of 2 is 5, f dash 2 is 3, then limit x tends to 2, x f of 2 minus 2 f of x upon x minus 2 is equal to dash. You know that कि x f of 2 and 2 f of x is alternate terms, और जब भी alternate terms आती है आपको क्या करना है, 2 f of 2 से subtract and add करना है. So I will not do you this for you, आपको ही खुद करना होगा. I will just write one step. X tends to 2, x minus 2 f of 2 plus 2 f of 2, ये मैंने subtract and add कर दिया, minus 2 f of x upon x minus 2. ये एक टर्म्स मैंने आपके लिए लिखी हुई है. नाउ यू नो हाउ टू डू, एंड द आंसर ऑफ दिस इज -1. दैट यू कीप इन माइंड. आपको ये सम खुद करना होगा. आई विल नॉट डू. ऐसे बहुत सारे सम्स किए हैं हमने, राइट? डू इट देन. ओके, द नेक्स्ट सम 38 इज d by dx of this term. Here j is equal to 1 to 5. X tends to x to the power j minus 1. I equal to 1 to 5, and here minus I plus 1 power is given. So first we'll simplify the terms and then find the derivative. Now it is summation is there, so we'll write j from 1 to 5 here and add the terms. So that is equal to x raised to 1 minus 1 0, x raised to 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1 and 5 minus 1. j की वैल्यू 1 2 3 4 5 रखते. अभी i की वैल्यू पहले 0, फिर -1 plus 1 0, -2 plus 1, -3 plus 1, -4 plus 1 and -5 plus 1 and x is equal to 2. अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. कैसे? d by dx of 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4 upon 1 plus 1 upon x, 1 upon x square, 1 upon x cube and 1 upon x raised to 4 and x is equal to 2. जो नेगेटिव पावर है, so can I write like this? Yes. And therefore what is it? Is equal to d by dx of 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4 and यहाँ पे नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में I will take the LCM. तो x raised to 4 LCM हो गया. यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई होगा x raised to 4. यहाँ एक x है तो x क्यूब, x स्क्वायर, x और यहाँ 1 और जो होल अपॉन x raised to 4 था मैंने ऊपर ले लिया, is equal to x. That means take LCM. Now ये ऊपर नीचे सेम हो गया, so it is cancelled. That is d by dx of x raised to 4 at x equal to 2. x raised to 4 की डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगी 4x cube at x equal to 2. 4 2 cube. 8 4s are 32. So 32 is the answer, right? So that is also one most important sum is here. Now the next 39. 39 is equal to if x square plus y square is equal to t plus 1 upon t and x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4, t square plus 1 upon t square, then find dy by dx. Okay, so we can say that here हम दोनों तरफ यहाँ raised to the power 4 है, so I will write x square plus y square t plus 1 upon t. Then what we'll do? Apply square on both the side, so that x square plus y square t plus 1 upon t whole square. You understand that? Then expand it. X raised to 4, 2x square y square and y raised to 4. यहाँ पे expand t square 2 and 1 upon t square. Now what? Here it is x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4. तो फिर से क्या दिया हुआ है? तो x रेस टू 4 एंड y रेस टू 4 की जगह पे लिखेंगे टी स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन टी स्क्वायर प्लस 2x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन टी स्क्वायर प्लस 2। सो ये टर्म दोनों तरफ से कैंसिल हो जाएगी। यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? क्या किया मैंने? स्क्वायर किया, फिर x रेस टू 4 प्लस y रेस टू 4 की वैल्यू रख दी। दैट इज इक्वल टू 2x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2। सो x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1। Now we'll find the derivative by the product rule. So x square y square है. So x square constant. Derivative is 2y dy by dx plus y square constant and x square की derivative 2x is equal to 0. Now 2x y common. X dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now you know that dy by dx is minus y upon x, right? तो that means ऐसा नहीं है कि हम x by dt dy by dt फाइंड करके डिनोमिनेटर में ले, क्योंकि यहाँ x एंड y बोथ है। सो फर्स्ट आपको सिंप्लीफाई करके एक ही में आंसर लाना होगा, t को रिमूव करना होगा एंड देन यू कैन डू dy by dx. This is sum 39. Then question number 40. Okay, then question number 40 is I will give it to you. जैसे आप खुद सॉल्व कर सकते हैं या नहीं। रूट cos 2x फाइंड y2 प्लस y फाइंड कीजिए। डू इट फास्ट, राइट? यहाँ पे जब रूट है तो डायरेक्ट डेरिवेटिव नहीं करनी है, इसे इस तरफ लेके अप्लाई स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ द साइड देन फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव। सो वी कैन राइट डायरेक्टली cos 2x इंटू वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1। cos 2x को मैंने इस तरफ लिया, स्क्वायर रूट को रिमूव करने के लिए दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर किया, तो ये हो गया। नाउ वी यूज द डेरिवेटिव बाय प्रोडक्ट रूल। So cos 2x constant, derivative is 2y into y1, that is dy by dx, plus y square constant, derivative is minus 2 sin 2x, cos की derivative minus sin, 2x की derivative 2 is equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Now what? 2y cancel, दोनों तरफ से 2y निकल जाएगा। So what is remaining? Here it is y1 cos 2x minus 2y निकल गया y sin 2x is equal to 0. You got this? Yes. Again find the derivative. So ये क्या मिल जाएगा आपको? y2. So y2 plus y आपको फाइंड करना है। y1 constant. Derivative is minus 2 sin 2x plus cos 2x constant, derivative y2 minus y constant, derivative of sin is cos 2x minus sin 2x constant, derivative is y1, that is equal to 0. Now here it is, you want y2 plus y only. Okay, so here there may be some mistake in the sum, I think. Right? So don't do that. Cancel this 40th one. Right? Okay. Don't do this sum क्योंकि ये y2 plus y नहीं हो रहा है. So cancel it. Then we'll move here. I will give you some more sums to try it yourself for the JEE. If you don't get it, then we'll solve it. Till then, goodbye. Here is 39 sum we have done. Cancel this 40th one. 40th आपको नहीं करना है. Don't do it. अगर उसका क्वेश्चन में कुछ करेक्शन हो गया, then we'll do it in the next, right? Okay. Till then, goodbye. Take care.